When learning a new skill like watercolor, it's very easy to fall into the trap of chasing perfection. But what if there is a gentle voice reminding you to focus on relaxation, the freedom of making your own choices without being overcritical about the end results? Then this new skill becomes more than a creative outlet and starts to benefit our mental well-being. With this series of relaxing watercolor classes, I'll be that gentle voice for you. Hi, my name is Garima Srivastav. I'm an artist, illustrator, and a top teacher here on Skillshare. I've been painting since 2011, and with Skillshare, I've taught thousands of students my relaxed way of making beautiful art minus the overwhelm. With this class as the first of the Relaxing Watercolor series, I'll be teaching you how to paint 3 beautiful floral illustrations on watercolor backgrounds with a vintage look. I welcome both beginners and experienced artists to this class. Apart from the relaxation that comes with repeated brushstroke, you will also learn important concept of color layering, glazing, painting wet on dry, and adding some metallic gold accents to turn these vintage style illustrations a little more festive. We will start by looking at the art supplies I've used in this class, followed by a small introduction on how optical color mixing works with layers of watercolors. To help those of you who are new to watercolors, we'll also look at the basic brushstrokes and important watercolor concepts that we have used in this class. We will then paint a few watercolor backgrounds to later use for our floral illustrations. For the main project of this class, I will show you how to paint an offset illustration of a few cone flowers on a watercolor background with detailed step-by-step instructions. You will have 2 more choices of mimosa and salvia flowers to paint as a project for this class with detailed instructions for them as well. The goal of this class is to encourage you to try a different way of painting flowers while giving you enough space to find your own comfort level with this technique. So if you like the sound of this class, come and join me in the next lesson. Let's paint together.